As the legal fraternity mourns the loss of a brilliant legal mind, former Chief Justice Acting Ian Chang, another young brilliant mind was admitted to the bar to practice law on Tuesday at the High Court in Georgetown. Chevy Devonish is a journalist at the Stabroek News and a lecturer at the University of Guyana. He said he's on a mission to educate Guyana's population about the law and how it affects them.
Primarily, I want to be able to educate persons about laws which are pertinent to their everyday life, such as landlord and tenant landlord generally. I want to be able to educate Guyana's populace about laws which are important to them, but I also want to be able to contribute to the development of both local and regional jurisprudence, and perhaps even international jurisprudence. I have an interest in all areas of law, actually. So I think what I will practice is whatever I find to be interesting, and at this point I think I find most areas to be interesting. Environmental law is very interesting to me. It was even before the oil and gas finds in Guyana, but even more so now. A lot of my colleagues are rushing to do oil and gas, but I'm more interested in environmental law because of my desire to understand more about the impacts of the extractive industries on Guyana's environment.
Devonish's petition to practice law was presented to the High Court before Chief Justice Acting Roxanne George Wiltshire by Senior Counsel Stephen Fraser.
In 2016, I met Mr. Stephen Fraser, Senior Counsel, and he gave me an opportunity to be an intern at his law firm. And from that opportunity, I received another opportunity, that is sponsorship to study in Trinidad at the Hugh Law School. I took that opportunity, and here I am today. My decision to do law started in 2014, really. At that point, I had worked about 2 years in media. I covered parliament, I covered press conferences, aspects of both law and politics. And what I realized is that I did not know enough. I didn't know as much as I think I needed to know to better understand the systems to be able to do my job. So I decided to enroll in the law programs and do the LLB. And I thought that that would assist me in being better able to do my job. It was my intention to just complete the 3 years, which is required to get the LLB, and then go back into media.
Devonish's mother, Roxanne Devonish, told the newsroom that she's always supported his academic pursuits.
In as much as he has all his achievements behind his name, you know, he's a person that charted his own course. He knew what he wanted, he set his objectives to play, and he just went behind vigorously, relentlessly behind what were his dreams.
Chief Justice Acting Roxanne George Wiltshire encouraged Devonish to aspire to higher heights and to practice law with the highest conduct, integrity, and attitude. She says this is very important in this profession. Reporting for Newsroom, Isanella Patoir,